Like you're singing and you're going, 孤单跟天下那的 and then you kind of squeeze, right? And you don't know what's going on. And you do it again. 孤单跟天下那的 and then you tense up again. What is that going to do for you? Can you learn how to sing just by singing along to different songs? I think that's a wonderful question. And if I was to be very direct, I think you totally can. Like, if it's okay for me to be honest, I think you can totally learn to sing by just singing along with different songs. As long as you're kind of recording yourself, trying to analyze yourself, trying to make improvements, totally, 100%. The thing I will add to that though is it might not be as fast as you think. It might not be as fast as you think. Because similar to how like an athlete, right? If you think of an athlete, if you're in the States, someone playing basketball, someone playing NFL, if you're in another country, maybe soccer, football, you might call it. As much as they spend a lot of time on the game, like really kind of mastering and actually playing, right? They also do a lot of other things. They work out, they do all these drills, they do a lot of mindset things. They do all these different things, right? Because what they know is all of that then adds up. It adds up to you becoming a better player, better athlete, right? Better sports player. And it's the same thing with singing, right? You can totally learn how to sing just by singing along to different songs. I've worked with some gifted singers, and like frankly, they got there without really too much guidance. Obviously, they still have some things we have to tackle through and work through, but that you can totally do it. Now, I think the reality though for most people is that, like as I said, this guided mastery, having someone to guide you, having someone to really break it down, go into the technicals, go into the mindsets, go into some of the exercises and drills that you can do, will make it a lot faster. Because what I found, especially for myself and a couple of my students, sometimes you're just banging your head against the wall when you're working through a song. Like you're singing and you're going, 孤单跟天下那的 and then you kind of squeeze, right? And you don't know what's going on. And you do it again. 孤单跟天下那的 and then you tense up again. What is that going to do for you? Maybe it might actually just get you stuck. You might actually start reinforcing that habit instead of actually getting better. So be very mindful of that. So the answer is yes, but if you're not happy with the progress, if you're not seeing the results, then you need to think of a better strategy. Find someone who can help you. Find someone who can break it down, work you through that guided mastery so you can feel that idea of self-efficacy, being able to believe and actually then execute so you can sing the way you want to sing.